For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to track or locate another person that's using a different operating system than what you have. i.e., I'm using the Samsung S25 Ultra Android, obviously, and I want to be able to have the ability to show where my location is and see the location of someone using an Apple phone. So this is really kind of cool, and I don't know how long this has been around, but let's just dig right in, as I always say. So let's go to Maps. First off, you want to have Google Maps. That's a prerequisite. You ought to have Google Maps, okay? So let's go into Google Maps and tap your little icon in the upper right, and then we'll go to location sharing. So it says here, stay connected, share your real-time location with friends and family. They can see where you are and share with you across Google Apps and services. Your location is updated even when the app is not in use. So we're going to share location. I'm now going to select a name here. You can select anybody's name, and you can do it for 1 hour. First off, let's go to the top and just read it all. So we can do it for 1 hour, however long we want, or until you turn this off. So I'm going to turn this on permanently for this particular person, and I'll hit the tab or the name, and then share with a link. Anyone with this link will be able to see your name, photo, and real-time location up to 24 hours. Okay, so let's we'll just do share. Okay, so now I'm going to now what we're going to do is we're going to get a link. See my real-time location on Maps, and it's going to have a link, and now I can send this link to the other person. See my real-time location. So let's just pretend I'm on the other person's phone now, so I'm going to tap this, and all right, well, let's see, location sharing isn't enabled on this device. Okay, so now it is. So there's where I'm actually located, and you can see who can see my location sharing via link. Can see your location 24 hours, and I can stop it when I want to, and it moves as I move. So it's really a neat feature to be able to show someone just basically via link as to where you're at. In fact, I'm going to hit pause on this. I'm going to turn on my video and record the other phone where I sent this link to. So bear with me here. So we're going to stop. So there's the text I actually got. It says, see my real-time location on Maps. So we're going to tap to load a preview. You can preview it, of course. Well, I guess you can't preview it, but you can see, and there's where I'm at. And you can see where I am. Let's get this to focus. You can see where I am, the directions, notifications that are not available for this person. You can see my battery level, and if I've moved, it actually says it's 16 feet away. I'm actually right on top of it, but that's how accurate it even reads. And then let's see, this is giving me a live readout, and then the 3 dots, refresh, remove, darn it, it's not focusing. Okay, here we go. Hide me from the map, block, or cancel, or refresh. So if I want to refresh it again, now it says I'm 30 feet away, but it's still right on top of me. And it stays on top of you until you turn it off. So pretty cool. So that's my video on how to share your location between Android, Apple, whatever phone you have. Like I said, the main prerequisite is Google Maps. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.